Good morning, traders, and welcome to WMoption's London Session Daily Market Review for Wednesday, July the 13th. In the North Americas, US indexes gained over their all-time high position throughout Tuesday, with some positive indicators in economic data. The optimism index for small businesses was higher at 94.5. Encouraging words came from the Fed's James Bullard, who said Brexit would have none to zero impact on the USD, and US stock market investor sentiment is positive after a rough start in July. The Canadian dollar sized up to about 76.7 alongside a hike in crude oil prices, other energy sector assets and rough metals. In Europe, the Bank of England is planning its first rate cut in 7 years, according to bank head Mark Carney. The pound corrected some more Brexit losses, reaching 1.32 to the dollar, bracing the economy for monetary and perhaps some future fiscal impacts. The Euro Stoxx 50 was up to 29.28 points, leaving the euro with only a slight upside. The German DAX also continued rising after plummeting through the end of June and the beginning of July. In Ireland, GDP growth stunned economists by its 26% growth figure in 2015, bringing the global average to near 4%. Moving on to Asian markets, Japanese trading was classically Keynesian Tuesday, with the Nikkei up to 166.25 points and the yen down 2% as investor confidence recovered. A downside correction to the Nikkei was marked Wednesday morning with a rising yen. The Shenzhen index in China corrected upward along with the Korean Kospi. And in commodities highlights, oil regained strength, rallying back to the 46.7 range, with OPEC saying they currently produce far below future demand forecasts and a flat dollar. Gold declined back to $13.35 an ounce as investor sentiment becomes positive to risk, driving them away from safe havens. Silver stayed less volatile, with investors holding above the 20 mark. Energy, soft commodities and rough metal stocks also posed gains over a reviving trade outlook and more certainty pushed by the Fed. And here are today's important economic events. A German 10-year-old auction will take place at an undisclosed time. At 9 a.m. GMT, Euro industrial production will be published, and US import and export price indexes at 12:30, just past noon. A Bank of Canada interest rate statement and supporting documentation will be in at 2 p.m. GMT, and the US crude oil stock exchange at 2:30 p.m. GMT. The US monthly budget statement is at 6 p.m. along with the Fed's Beige Book. That was today's London Session Daily Market Review. Have a happy and profitable trading day.